Good morning friends. Last lecture we have to discuss about the concentration of the defects. Concentration of the defects. Okay, we have to in this point we have to discuss and get the formula of the number of Scotty defects and the number of Frenkel defect in the concentration of defect. Okay. Then we have to discuss the next point, that is about the ion conductivity in the solid. Okay. Therefore, the first point is about the point defect is that they make possible atoms or the ions to move through the structure. Okay. Therefore, point defects means it is a vacancy. Point defects means it is a vacancy that make it possible for atoms or ions move through the structure. Means in the point defects it may be a possible for atoms, means the point defect it may be a possible for atoms or ions, it is a move through the structure, means this vacant point. Okay, vacant point, it is a possible for atoms or ions and it is move through the structure, means this point defect is the make possible, means point defect it is possibility of the atoms or ion. Point defect it is a possibility of the atoms or ion, this is moving to the structure, means the atoms or ions it is moving through the structure, it is possible by point defect. Okay, then second point is about the two possible mechanism for the movement of ions through the lattice are the sketch in figure 5.4. Okay, therefore look at this figure 5.4. This 5.4 figure shows the two mechanism. Okay, first mechanism, a mechanism it shows the vacancy mechanism, and the B mechanism shows the intestinal mechanism. Okay, then in figure 5.4a, the A diagram shows the ion hops or jumps from its normal position. Okay, ions hops or jumps from its normal position on the lattice, means your ions jumps from normal position. Okay, look at this diagram. This diagram shows the ions. Okay, these small ions it is a jump from the other jump normal position on the lattice. Okay, this small circle shows the this is the ions. Okay, these ions from the normal position on the lattice. Okay, this is the normal position on the lattice to the neighboring equivalent but vacant site, means these electrons. Okay, look at this, these ions are at the normal site. Okay, these ions look at the A diagram shows the look at this A diagram shows the ions are jumps from normal position to the vacant site. Okay, normal position to the equivalent of vacant site, means this ions is its normal position, and this normal position of the ion it is a jump to the vacant site ion, it jumps to the vacant site ion, and this mechanism is known as vacancy mechanism. This mechanism is known as vacancy mechanism. Okay, this is the definition of the vacancy mechanism, and this is the first point of the two possible mechanism for the movement of ions. Okay, listen carefully. What is this definition of the vacancy mechanism? It shows that the ions are jumps from the normal position. Okay, the ions are jumps from the normal position on the lattice, to a neighboring equivalent vacant site, is called as vacancy mechanism. Okay, that this diagram shows that ions are jumps from its normal position to the normal position on the lattice. Okay, normal position on lattice to neighboring group, to the neighboring equivalent but vacant site, to the neighboring or equivalent to the vacant site, and this is called as vacancy mechanism. Vacancy mechanism, and this is the definition of the vacancy mechanism. Okay, therefore the figure 5.4b it shows the interstitial mechanism. Okay, this interstitial mechanism shows that the simple picture of movement in an ionic lattice are known as Hoping model, and they ignore more complicated cooperative motions. Okay, therefore the figure 5.4b, it shows the interstitial mechanism. Okay, the simple picture of movement of an ionic lattice, means the ionic lattice simple pictures is the simple picture of movement in an ionic lattice, means your ionic lattice simple picture of movement is form of the ionic lattice, and this is known as hopping model. This model is known as hopping model. This hopping model says that the simple picture of movement of ionic lattice, simple picture of ionic lattice known as hopping model, and they ignore more complicated cooperative motions, means this hopping model, it is a ignore more complicated cooperative motion. Okay, this intestinal mechanism, it shows in figure B. Okay, this shows the simple picture of movement in an ionic lattice. Okay, look at this circle, and this circle, it is a moving into the ionic lattice, means this picture of movement, the ionic lattice, it is a moving into this ionic lattice, means this ion, it is a moving into this lattice, and it is known as hopping models. It is known as hopping model. Okay, this is all about the mechanism, that is the intestinal mechanism and the vacancy mechanism. Okay, then nextly the ionic conductivity. Ionic conductivity is, it is a defined as the same wave as the electron conductivity. Okay, ionic conductivity, it is denoted as a sigma, and therefore this ionic conductivity, it is defined as same wave as the electronic conductivity, means electronic conductivity is the same as ionic conductivity. Okay, therefore the formula of the ionic conductivity is equal to small n, capital Z, small e, and micron. Okay, where the n is the number of charge carried the per unit volume. Okay, where n is the number of charge carries the per unit volume, means your component is carrying the number of charges per unit volume. This is denoted as small n. Okay, Ze is their charge. Ze means it is a charge, and the micron is their mobility. Micron is their mobility. Micron means it is a mobility of the component. Okay, and the measure of the drift's velocity in the constant electrical field, and it's measure the drift velocity, it is in constant electrical field. Okay, the electrical current, it is carried in an ionic solid by the defects. Okay, therefore this ionic conductivity, it is a formation of the electrical current, and this electrical current, it is carried in ionic solid. This electrical current, it is carried in ionic solid by the vacants, by the defects. This ionic solid by the defects, means your electrical current, it is carried in ionic solid, means ionic solid, it is carried the electrical current, and it is by the defects, it by the defects. Okay, third point is about the ionic conductivity, it is carried by the vacancy or the intestinal mechanism. N is the concentration of charge carries, will closely related to the concentration of defect in the crystal. Okay, then you have to also know about the ionic conductivity. Ionic conductivity, it is denoted as the sigma, and it is carried by vacancy or intestinal mechanism, means this ionic conductivity, it is carries by vacancy or the intestinal mechanism, means vacancy or intestinal mechanism, it is carried the ionic conductivity, where the n is the concentration of charge carrier, where n is the concentration of charge carrier, will closely related to concentration of defect into the crystal, means this concentration of charge carries, and therefore this concentration of charge carries will be related to the concentration defect in crystal, means this concentration of charge carry, it is related to the concentration of defect in crystal, means your crystal, in your crystal the concentration of defect, it is closely related to the concentration of charge carriers. Okay, this is the third point in the ionic conductivity of solid. Therefore the fourth point says that take in the case of NaCl, that is the sodium chloride, which contain the Scotty defect. Okay, we have to also know about the, we have to discuss the example in the Scotty defect, that is about the sodium chloride. Okay, they take the, in case of the sodium chloride which contain the Scotty defect, means Sodium chloride, it is containing this Scotty defect. The Na plus ions are the smallest. Na plus ions are the smallest, therefore it move most easily. However, they also quite a lot resistance as shown in figure 5.5. okay, means this is the take the case of sodium chloride which contain the Scotty defect. The Na plus ions are smallest. Okay, Na plus ions are smallest. Okay, look at this figure. That figure shows the sodium chloride type structure, and therefore the coordination of octahedron of the central cation. Okay, therefore firstly the white circle shows the halogenated component, blue circle shows the metallic component, and the faint gray color shows the metallic plus vacancy. Okay, and this is the two diagram. First diagram is the coordination of the octahedron of central cation, and the second diagram is a coordination octahedron of the central cation and the adjacent vacancy. Okay, this is the figure of this. This is the figure of this. This is the figure of this NaCl. Okay, NaCl resistance. The Na plus could take from center of the unit cell to an adjacent vacant site. Okay, the Na plus is it is a taking. Na plus it is a taking from the vacant site of the center of unit cell, vacant side of the center of unit cell. Okay, then pathway first passes through one of the triangular faces of the octahedron. Point 1 means your pathway, it is a passes through one of the triangular faces of octahedron. Means your pathway of the ionic conductivity in solid, it is a passes through one triangular faces of octahedron. Point 1. Okay, this is all about the ionic conductivity in solids introduction. Then nextly, the coordination of the Na plus ion taking this path. Okay, the coordination of the Na plus ion taking the path changes from 6 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 6. Okay, as it jump from one side to another. Okay, this is the figure 5.6. This 5.6 is equal to potential energy versus start of jump and end of jump. Okay, this diagram shows the coordination of the Na plus ion. Okay, this diagram shows the coordination of Na plus ion, and this is schematic representation of change in energy during the motion of an ion along the lowest energy path. Okay, this 5.6 diagram shows the coordination of the Na plus ion is it taking the path changes. Okay, therefore the coordination of Na plus ion, it is taking the path changes. Okay, therefore start of the jump, therefore this is the path, and therefore this path is a changes, this path is a changes from 6 to 3. Okay, firstly 6 to 3, 3 to 4, then 4 to 3, then 3 to 6. Okay, this is the pathway. Okay, and it is jump from one side to another, it jump from one side to another. Okay, then energy changes involved in such pathway, it is shown in figure. Okay, this is the pathway we have to show in the 5.6 diagram, and this pathway it is useful for the coordination of the Na plus ion taking the path changes. Okay, then energy of the ion is the same at the beginning and the end of the jump. Okay, therefore look at this diagram shows the energy of the ion. Okay, energy of the ion it is the same as the start of jump and the end of jump. Energy of the ion it is the same as the start of jump and the end of jump. Okay, then the energy is required to make the jump. Energy is required to make the jump. Ea is known as activation energy. Means the energy is required to make the jump. Ea is known as activation energy. Means activation energy it is denoted as Ea, and therefore definition of the activation energy is about the energy required to make the jump. Means energy required is make the jump is known as activation energy, is known as activation energy. Okay, this is the definition of the activation energy, and therefore the temperature dependence of the mobility of the ion, it can be expressed by Arrhenius equation. Okay, therefore this is the temperature. Okay, this temperature is dependent of the mobility, means temperature dependence of mobility, and this mobility of the ion it is expressed by an Arrhenius equation. Okay, this mobility of